What's good, guys? So today is Monday, and this is beautiful Monday morning. Just like 1 minute ago, I entered one trade. The trade just tapped me in on the Euro USD and on 1 hour time frame. So let me just go to the chart and show you what the trade looks like. All right, so the trade is on Euro USD and on 1 hour time frame. So the trade just tapped me in right now. So I have all my confluence in check. So liquidity right here. So liquidity sweep right here. Then fair value gap right here and the other block right here. Then I have break of structure right here. So I have all my confluence aligned. So with all that, that doesn't guarantee the trade is going to play out. No, nothing. I mean, anything can happen in the market. So just keep your risk in check. So no matter how perfect the setup is, the setup can still hit the stop loss. So the risk management is in check. So going to update you next in the next clip. So let me just this is going to be a quick update on the trade I took. I took another trade after the one I told you earlier, and I took the trade because the trade was aligned with my strategy. So, and normally that setup was supposed to be the only setup I supposed to take before I took the one I took earlier. So, what I'm trying to say is that the trade I took later, which is the second trade, the setup was my initial setup before I took that one. Before I took the one I this morning. So, and the trade turned out to be a loss. I can't say that I took the trade because of FOMO, but I took the trade because the trade was aligned with my strategy. And the problem there is that I have less than 3% to pass my funded account. And the trade I took earlier this morning, the trade was um, is 1:3. So if that trade it might take profit, so I'm going to pass phase one. But for now, even if the trade it might take profit, I'm not going to pass the account. Why? Because I have this one that I lost. I have to recover it. So that is for that. So let me just go to the chart and show you what the trade looks like. All right, guys. So this is the trade, and it is on Euro USD 15 minutes time frame. So there's a confluence that I'm expecting around here before I took the trade, and the trade gave the setup gave me the confluence, and that gives me the confidence to what to enter the trade. And unfortunately, the trade turned out to be a loss, and that is for that. So I lost the trade, and I'm still on the trade, which is on the 1 hour time frame. So I'm still on that trade. Maybe the trade is going to be turn out to be a good one. I really don't know. But if this trade hits the stop loss, that means I have only one trade left to take this week, and that is going to be on either on Wednesday or on the Thursday. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. Even if this trade hits the stop loss, I'm not going to trade tomorrow. So my next trade is going to be on the Wednesday. Whether it hits the stop loss or it hits the take profit, I'm talking about this one right here. I'm still going to take only one trade for this week because I told you that I'm only going to be risking 3% for this week and 1% down. So I've lost 1%. So I have two, and 1% is running. So I have only 1% left to take. So that is for that. So I'm not going to assist that. So let me see you in the next clip. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday, and this is Tuesday morning. So I just closed this trade on the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. The reason for that is that despite I know the market is bullish, but I didn't notice that right here I have something like a resistance over there. I closed the trade right there. I don't know, maybe I made the right choice yet, but I've closed the trade at break even. So I'm not going to trade today. So I'm going to leave everything till tomorrow or Thursday. So I have only one trade left to take this for this week. I took one loss on Monday, which is yesterday, and this one I managed to break even on it based on some reasons. And I don't know, but the only trade that's left for me this week, I think I'm going to take it tomorrow or on Thursday. So that is for that. So I don't know, maybe I made the right choice closing the trade at break even or not. It's just two-sided. Whether it's going to go to my direction and it might take profit, that means I made a bad choice, or it's going to come back to the stop loss, meaning that I'm going to be making right choice. Regardless, I'll close the trade at break even. So regardless, I'm going to see you in the next one. Maybe I'll be able to see any opportunity again this week. So if I'm able to see any opportunity, definitely I'm going to update you guys. So let me see you in the next clip. What's good, guys? So today is Wednesday, and this is Wednesday morning, and this is going to be a quick update. So I actually made the right choice by closing the trade that I closed yesterday, and I'm in one trade now, and the trade is in Jordan. Before I started recording, uh, I actually made the right choice by closing the trade yesterday. So the trade later hit my initial stop loss, but I was not on the trade. Now let me show you what the new trade I'm in, and that is going to be my last trade for this week. I've taken two already, one loss and one break even. So the last one is running. So let me show you that trade. Alright, guys, so this is the trade on the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. So the trade is running in drawdown for now. So I don't know what the outcome of the trade is going to be, but regardless, whatever the outcome of the trade, I'm going to update you on that. So let me see you in the next clip for the update on this trade, whether it is the stop loss or whether it might take profit. Whatever the outcome, definitely I'm going to update you guys. So let me see you in the next clip. What's good, guys? So today is Saturday, and this is Saturday morning, and I'm going to post this video today. So the trade I took on Wednesday, the trade plays out well, and I hit the take profit on the trade, but I was busy on that Thursday. I was on Wednesday, and I was busy on Thursday. Same thing yesterday. So the only time I have the time to record any video is now. So without wasting any time, let me just go straight to the chart and show you what the trade looks like. Okay, guys, so this is the trade on the Euro USD, and it is from 1 hour time frame. So I made like 2% on this trade. This is my initial take profit. I don't regret. Maybe I can just extend the trade up to here because nothing is certain in the market. So I made like 2% right there, and I have less than 2% to pass phase one. So I pray that next week, that one maybe, but everything is going to be all right. So this is for this week. The video is already long, so I don't want the video to be long. So um, let me see you next week, and I pray that next week is going to be better. Although this week is better, this month is better, and I pray that next week is going to be better because this is going to be my third week for this month profitable. First week was profitable because I managed to bring out some profits from the market, even though it was break even. And last week I made 5% on the account, and this week I made 1%. So let me see you next week, and I pray next week is going to be better. So peace out.